wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Fauzan Lana and from Aceh. I have you all will explain about in ratio and property. Before that, I will like to thank my friend. You have the video have full is will benefit us will we go different material ratio and proportion proportion and two mathematical and complex will a number of vertical action and difference and ratio and to come more quantity of the variance category be this ratio and woman SGT where men woman are the two different category. One the category and property is a fixed quantity of one category for the total leaks property of men's of total people having in the city ratio and the quantity ratio which among society is number of the value quantity. So carefully property is that that's example ratio with the this action present you basic difference uh, bets. The definition of ratio in measure and ratio is can ask the component of some units will example in term of the number use time average volume contact second it's the expression in this example from the two quantity under compression or collection in this term in ratio where at the time is action and the second term is okay there are for point the remember ratio to the ratio in one both action and the quantity by can be by the some number the number shall be non-zero. 2. The order and stem in segments. 3. The existence of ratio and only between the quantity of the same kids. 4. The units of the quantity under compression so also be some for comparison of two ration and so if this for definition proportion is a matter complex with state the quantity of the two ratio into some category of the total we mean to some number in case of difference in the some ratio they are used to be direction property there's the ratio difference Benz ratio B which ratio in property and draw the ratio is respect to columns stack backwards the quantity operate in contact property is and double columns or quantity to stack with the ratio under comprehends the ratio under quantitative relationship between two category is of a property which show the quantity second category with the total in the given property if there are ratio property which the helps keywords they answer vary in ratio within case property can solution transfer which the above discussion example the difference backwards test to the medical show the comparison of two number with property in the batch. Extension of with ratio the or function in equations. Okay, that's all the material and can is about is material ratio and property. I say thanks you. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.